on this one, right? Lower yourself onto this, grab this rope, and just lean back and let your harness go. And then just grab back here, good. Grab back here and just pull on the rope.
Grab the gear?
Back here and pull. You're doing it. You're doing it, Colin. You're doing great. You're doing great. Really close. Yeah, almost there, Here you go, 2 more pulls. Yeah. Awesome!
This is hard.
It is hard.
Holy shit.
One more. Do one more pull. And then the tree branch is under you and you can walk yourself over here.
Oh my god.
And then just walk yourself over here, and then I will pull.
Oh my god. Ah, don't check it.
Oh, come on this side. Come on this side of the rope.
Why?
Because then you can stand on the tree. There you go. Good.